Happy Friday, House of Mushki lovers. Lovely to see you again. Welcome to day 15 of Fabulous Feb. Hope you enjoyed yesterday. We still haven't kind of come down from the bonkersness that actually exploded yesterday on our social media. Everybody loves the red dress and we love it too. And thanks for all your comments and feedback on how you think it should look. Everything's going to be taken on board and we are hoping to share the end product with you when we go live from White Gallery in London next month. So today is the turn of Posie. She is so cute and so gorgeous. She's in our new colour, so we've gone a little lighter ivory this season, just because we get a lot of girls who are wanting something that little bit lighter, borderline white. So here she is. She is a 3/4 length tulle skirt. You can see all the gorgeous little flowers. She's got a really deep sweetheart neckline there and a very 1950s inspired illusion top with the satin trim. 3/4 length sleeve, again with these gorgeous little handmade flowers all over, encrusted with some little pearls inside, and bows, just bows for days. Yeah, they're everywhere. They're on the belt, they're on the sleeve, and when we turn it around the back, you're going to kind of see them around the back too. So beautiful illusion back, again covered in all these gorgeous little handmade flowers, a bow finishing off the back and trickling down onto the skirt. Absolutely stunning and absolutely beautiful. Very cute, very 50s inspired, typically Mushki. We hope you love it. She would rock as a long dress, but she would also rock as a pencil. A very 50s, 1950s Jackie O straight pencil line skirt. Maybe it's in a plain satin. It would be beautiful. So all the normal kind of rules apply. You can have whatever shape you want. You can even change the collar up if you like. And yeah, that's Posie. We love her. She's gorgeous. She's Mushki. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So tomorrow we have Bessie. And we will be coming to you from Mushki Manor again because it's the weekend and I need a rest. So we'll look forward to seeing you then. Hope you tune in at 2 o'clock and have a great Friday night. Bye.